male javelin throw. In bronze, the bronze goes to Seng Tuang CH Mara from East Garo Hills District Sports Association with a distance of 40.86 meters. In silver, the silver goes to Calvinus Biam from West Jaipur Hills District Sports Association with a distance of 42.68 meters. And gold goes to Vishal Sangma from North Garo Hills District Association with a distance of 47.50 meters. The medalist for the 18 male 100 meter. The bronze goes to Twin Star Lindor from Ribhoi District Sports Association with a time of 12.23 seconds. And the silver goes to Theo Shatrang Kongre from Shillong Sports Association with a time of 12.14 seconds. And the gold goes to Ederick Sokun from Shillong Sports Association with a time of 12.4 seconds. On the 18 female javelin throw, the bronze goes to Walramchi Armarak from South Garo Hills District Athletic Association with a distance of 19.81 meters. And the silver goes to Silanchi M. Sangma from North Garo Hills District Association with a distance of 20.64 meters. And the gold goes to Sanitha G. Momin from North Garo Hills District Association with a distance of 24.57 meters. For under 18 female high jump, the bronze goes to Wansaka Bla from Shillong Sports Association with a distance of 1.25 meter. And the silver goes to Andrisha Klein from Ribhoi District Association with a distance of 1.30 meter. And the gold goes to Renalis Ingpi from Ribhoi District Sports Association with a distance of 1.50 meter. On the 18 female long jump, the bronze goes to Happy Mary Linkoy from Maukarwad District Sports Association with a distance of 4.7 meter. And the silver goes to Patyama K. Sangma from North Garo Hills District Association with a distance of 4.7 meter. The gold goes to Joytiful Narlong from Ribhoi District Sports Association with a distance of 4.51 meter. The medalist for the 18 female 100 meter. The bronze goes to Gabriela D. Carobon from Shillong Sports Association with a time of 14.87 seconds. The silver goes to Joytiful Narlong from Ribhoi District Sports Association with a time of 14.81 seconds. And the goal goes to Angelina Jackson from Shillong Sports Association with a time of 13.96 seconds. The medalists for under 18 male 4 into 100. The bronze goes to Alabaster Dakar from Longstone District Sports Association. Shaipar Lin Nongsi, Matthews Shirkon, Nibanyalam Mauli. With a time of 49.25 seconds. And the silver goes to Sunida Biang Ambon, Galbanius Biam, Dao 1PC, Chibai Hishila from West Jainta Hills District Sports Association with a time of 48.32 seconds. And the gold goes to Dunbok Shabong, Kintiu Shaprang Hongwir, Ederic Sotun, Ripol Dakar from Shillong Sports Association with a time of 45.95 seconds. I request all the medalists, the athletes to stay back for group picture.